Hello! Welcome to NkitchN. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing dessert recipe. Carrot halwa. Let's get started with the recipe. Heat the wok. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, add almonds, cashews and roast them until they are golden brown. Keep the roasted dry fruits aside. To the same wok, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, grated carrots, and cook it for 10 minutes. Add 2 cups of milk, close the lid, and cook until all the milk is reduced. It takes 30 to 40 minutes. Check it occasionally. When all the milk is reduced, add 3/4 cup sugar and cook it until ghee gets separated. Finally, add cardamom powder and roasted dry fruits. Give a gentle mix and turn off the stove. Transfer it into a serving bowl and garnish it with some chopped pistachios. Carrot halwa is ready. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more homemade recipes.